just gonna set that on top. And you just want it just parallel with the key. We just take a little bit of this plastic gauge, and all it is just this plastic that you put on the main cap bearings. You put it on the journals, and you make sure it's got to be parallel. Okay. It looks like this. Let's see if I can give you a shot here. There it is there. It's just a little, I just dropped it. Okay. So you give it, anyways, it's just a Okay. Okay, we got those on, and now we're going to go ahead and put the lower part of the cap bearings in. So we got, let's see, we got the last one here. Okay, there's that one. This is 3, okay. Number 3, the thrust bearing. Number 3, the thrust bearing. And I'm not putting much oil in the back here. I just want enough just for it to slide a little bit. It's in there. I want it to grip. Just not that much. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, getting the last bearing in. Okay. That's pretty good. Now, I've got to clean these top of these bearings. Got to clean them now because they can't have anything between that. Okay. Okay, got everything clean now. We're going to go ahead and start putting things on here. Looks like I've put on some more of this. Bearing. We got arrows. There's on top of each of the main caps there is a number and an arrow, so you know that arrow points to the front of the engine, and you know where it goes. Number 3. This is number 3 thrust bearing. Okay. While you're measuring with the plastic gauge, you do not want to move the crankshaft at all, for obvious reasons. Because if you move it, you're going to end up, if you move it, you're going to end up moving the plastic gauge. So, couple things I've kind of learned already about the crankshaft, and before you have it machined, you need to check your clearances before you take it in. That way you need to do the plastic gauge before you take it, and that way you know you're within tolerance. So that when he shaves off that 0.010, and you get the oversized, you're still with, and you get the oversized 0.010 bearings, then you know that you're still within clearance. So that's really, then you would know if you were out of clearance and you have to get a brand new, or whatever the next step would be if you were out of clearance. Now, I drive fast along here. Okay, so these are all hand tight, and that's the first step. First step, hand tight, down. Okay, now we're going to do 30 pounds, starting from the thrust bearing, no, starting working outwards. We're gonna get these things, and it's 70. So we're gonna start out at 30. Actually, we're gonna start out at we're gonna do 10 first. We're gonna do 20 first. 30 is good for snug.